Hi, I'm Elizabeth Bretschneider with the Thurston Chamber of Commerce, inviting you to join us Tuesday, December 7th at 7:30 a.m. at the YMCA on Plum Street. And here to tell you more is Michelle.
Hi, I'm Michelle Gibson, Senior Director of Branch Operations here at the South Sound YMCA. Join us at the Plum Street YMCA on Tuesday, December 7th at 7:30 a.m. for our morning mixer. Join us for networking, a quick workout, great prizes, and coffee donated by Evergreen Valley Espresso. See you there.
Hi, I'm Ashley Chandler.
And I'm Elizabeth Bretschneider.
Join us December 7th at 7:30 a.m. here at the Plum Street YMCA for our morning mixer. We look forward to seeing you there.